In this video, I am going to discuss Duolingo writing pattern. How variety of sentences can be added in your task. As in test, candidate need to show different kind of words or some kind of variety of sentences. He or she have to choose lexical resources and efficient ideas as well. Here, let's take an example of the task. It is, marriages are bigger and more expensive nowadays than past. Is it a negative or a positive development? Let's discuss how its introduction can be written. There should be 3 parts in your introduction. First of all, there should be general statement. Second, rephrase. Third, demand of motion. I would recommend to use synonyms or some complex sentences in your introduction. Let's have a look on the introduction sample. Certainly, wedding is an occasion to celebrate the happiness of two people with kith and kin. However, in this jet-set age, it has been observed that weddings are celebrated in a grand manner and a lot of money is incurred. In my opinion, this is largely a negative development. In this introduction, I have used some vocabulary words like kith and kin and also used some complex formations. Now moving towards the body paragraph. While writing body paragraph, you can follow this pattern. First of all, write title sentence, then give your topic sentence, then the important part is explanation. For explaining your point, you can write a reason behind the point, a fact or example. Let's have a look over body paragraph, which is a sample. To commence with, spending big chunks of the capital on wedding celebration carries numerous adverse effects. As a lot of money is spent on decoration and preparation of food, the most used material for wedding decoration is plastic. After the marriage is over, the decoration items are thrown away. To exemplify, a rich family from South Africa organized their son's marriage near the beaches of Cape Town in 2001. This marriage generated enormous amounts of waste and resulted in death of many sea animals. In turn, the government also had to spend huge amount of money to clean up the garbage. Hence, in this body paragraph we have given a reason as well as example. You can contract the explanation according to your typing speed. Heading toward conclusion. In conclusion, you have to sum up your idea as well as reiterate your opinion very clearly. Here is sample conclusion. Overall, in my opinion, bigger and costlier weddings do not provide much social value. This money can be used for social causes. It causes complication for hosting families to authorities. Hence, people should avoid extravagant expenditures on marriages in order to secure their future. So, this is our task, writing task. You can follow this pattern for writing your Duolingo test. Here I would like to mention that you can adjust length of your task according to your typing speed, but do not forget to maintain or to include your main points such as introduction, body paragraph and conclusion. If you have less time, you can mention introduction and conclusion just in one line or explain your point with the help of 2 or 3 sentences. I hope it would be beneficial for you.